Welcome to Collier's Woodshop. In this video I'm going to show you how to use an abrasive stick to make your sandpaper last longer. What you want to do is just rub that across your spinning. You want to be very careful as your drum sander spins. You just rub that abrasive, feels like an eraser type material, and just gets off all that little stuck sap, tar off the drum, and you just keep running it across there. The more you do it, the better. It also lubricates the sandpaper so it doesn't stick as well. Now you just keep working that in. As you can see, always use a brush to clean off that stuff. Never use your fingers. Don't get used to using your hands. And then you can see it's just as good as new. Makes your sandpaper last longer by using the abrasive stick. Another tech tip from Collier's Woodshop. Thank you for watching.